Oh God, Chevy gone home. And she was the most talented one in the competition, you know. All the Jamaican people don't know who to vote for these days. For the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Oh yes, it's a good thing I remember, you know, because my brain tends to just leave me every now. Brother Bishop asked me to go and call a couple people from church that have not been attending for the last few weeks. Let me see who is first on the list. What? Dottie Berry? Let me go and give this, that's a call right here from the stadium.
Wow! One bottle out of port.
55.99.
Hello?
Blessed be the name of the Lord. Is this brother Dottie Berry? Oh, hi, I'm Sister Dion Peaches, and I'm calling from the United Chicken Back Gospel Assembly.
Oh, okay.
I noticed that you haven't been attending church in quite a while. Is not the Lord your God? Why have you forsaken your love for God? You need to come to church.
No man, Sister Peaches. Me just there, man, I go on Hustler Road and I look one cat, you get me?
It's the same problem, you know, I've been having the other day. I think only I couldn't find my cats and I had to be bawling out, shoo. And then the cat just came jumping from next door. So I think that's what you need to do to find your catty.
Sister Bean about the time saying you know what cat mean. I mean say a girl on the road me there I look man.
Oh, silly me. You know, forgive my ignorance, you know? Well, in that case, you should definitely come to church, no, Brother Dottie. You should definitely come to church. You know, the church needs more young men like you.
Oh cool. But suppose me they want to feature you.
Lord, take the case and give me the pillow. What is in my dying trial? Feature me? oh God, oh Lord. For the Lord.
Cool no man. Now you always at the front of the choir sing lead.
Yes, you know, Brother Barry. I see you've been watching me in the Lord's temple. I don't think that's such a good thing, you know.
You can call it that, you know, man. I'm not like Peaches, but you have a fat piece of bumper, you know, man. Some nice, sexy, stiff titty. More while I'm there at church, I'm just can't tell my eye fight, man.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, I feel the Spirit. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Anointing, fall on me. Let the power of your Holy Ghost fall on me.
You there on WhatsApp?
I'm not on WhatsApp, you know, but I do have an email address.
Gimme.
I'm not sure I feel very comfortable with this, you know, Brother Barry. But, you know, it is, angelpeaches@yahoo.com.
Baby.
Oh, God. You know, nobody ever called me that before.
Babes, you can take a picture and send me.
Of what?
You know me at all, man.
Oh, no, Brother Barry. My pearly gate is not having a grand opening anytime soon.
As you talk about that in a Peaches, one of them days I make I want to enter your chambers.
I see you using the word of the Lord to sweet talk me, man.
You can just imagine when my berry mix in a your Peaches, the kind of juice we ever make.
Oh, Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy, my vagina is Harlem shaking. Lord, make a way where there seems to be no way, because you are God. You are, oh my God, it's coming down, it's coming down, woo.
Peaches, take a picture of your neck back and send me.
My net back?
Your neck back.
You sure is that you want to ask me for, Brother Barry?
Yo, B, just do it, me send a man. Just take a picture of your neck back. Before you do it, just rub some mayonnaise on the back of it and send me.
Okay. Well, I guess if it is going to bring you to church. Alright, just give me one sec. Give me a second, I shall come back. Hello? Yeah, I come back. So I must just take the picture? Just have it anywhere on my neck?
Come da porta picchita va bene. Si tu la parla miezza americana.
Oh, Brother Barry, so you're not going to give me an email? Give me an email so I can send it to you right now.
My email at Big Willie Berry at hotmail.com.
I'm going to send it to you right now. Right now.
Yeah, I just get it. Go and go check the mail and I send you.
I'm going to take a look right about me move my box foot. Jesus. Oh, Lord. Lord of his mercy. Ye who made heaven and earth. Oh my Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, because this rod and that staff can surely comfort me. Oh my brother, you are blessed. You are blessed. You are anointed. You are blessed in the name of Jesus. Oh my Lord. 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 I am thinking things that I'm not supposed to be thinking on today. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Um, Brother Barry, I don't normally behave like this, you know.
Oh yeah.
If you have any more pictures like that to send, feel free to send it to my email. I check it every day.
Oh, Pika. Pika. Oh, Pika.
Brother Barry? Brother Barry?
Pika Pikachu. Pika Pikachu.
Brother Barry, are you there?
Pika Pika Pikachu. Pika Pika. Pika Neba. Neba.
Brother Barry? Oh God, reporting credit might all finish. But wait, let me call him. See if we can try calling back another 6 o'clock, because I definitely want to see this young man again. Alright, oh gosh. See if I can call somebody else now. I'm gonna relax myself because, oh my, them young boy are going with a lot of things, man.